I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm out here tonight continuing this little series in the dark, and we want to talk a little bit about flashlights, particularly things that you're going to carry with you easily when you need them the most, all right? So we're going small flashlights or headlamps. A good flashlight or headlamp should have a good burn time. It should be super bright. It should be easy to conceal if you're going to do an everyday carry thing. You got to have a good balance of everything, right? So we've got a few different things here that we have used in our own experience. They're not new. They're stuff that I've taken out in the field, some of which for years, some of which not so long, but all of my experiences personally with these items have been awesome. I've also got my good buddy Jaden here who's going to talk about a couple of them. So we're going to start off with handheld flashlights. We got a couple of them, only a couple to review here. There are lots of good ones, but we have two that might be a challenge to your perception of what is a good quality flashlight. So come on and talk about that one.
So if we can see this is an A-Tactical A1S.
Let me get some light on that flashlight for you. Okay, show the camera. A1S Tactical?
Yeah.
Cool.
Got off of Amazon, December of 2017. Working great. Never had a problem. It does have a 1-inch diameter, so you can actually put it on your rifle. So if you have one of those kind of mounts, it works great. So this is on low power. It's at 24 lumens. It says that it can last for about 6 days. This is 140 lumens. It is rated to last about 18 hours. The next one is high. The highest setting on this flashlight is at 1,150 lumens. It's quoted here as turbo mode. It lasts up to about 3 hours, but it can cast up to 277 meters.
I've got the Streamlight, and Streamlight is a very commonly known name in the industry, right? They sell a lot of good quality flashlights, and I've got the 2LX. See how small that is? It's extremely concealable, right? Which I like. So, one of my favorite YouTube channels is the Warrior Poet, and he has a video about what you can do if someone comes up to you, go, hey man, take it easy, and you just blast them for a second. You move over here and it gives you time to get out of the way and do whatever you need to do, right? This, I would say, it's got 10 different settings. Should be a great flashlight. You can program it. It's got a great strobe right there. Yeah, it seems to work awesome, except this is one problem that I have had with it personally. I've got the rechargeable battery in here, and when I try to use it and move around, the flashlight has struggled to stay on. In different angles, it gets dimmer, and sometimes it just shuts off altogether. So we've got a $30 flashlight that Jaden's got here. So bring that over here. It's a little bulkier, right? But not by much. It's actually almost the same. And it's extremely bright. It's been reliable for him for 2 years or a year and a half. And it's only 30 bucks, right? On Amazon. The Streamlight with a rechargeable battery. This one has a rechargeable battery too, doesn't it?
Yeah, 3,400 milliamps.
Yeah. So 30 bucks and you can have a quality flashlight here, or you can spend $57 on the Streamlight, and I like it. I think 57 bucks is plenty to spend on a flashlight, but it's not anywhere close to how much you can spend. Because if I turn it on and start to move, I need it to stay on the whole time. It's not an unreasonable thing to think of, right? I'm still recommending this $30 flashlight. I think it's awesome. Just being out here with him, I've seen how bright it is. The Streamlight, I contacted them about this issue, and they said that you need to go to an approved Streamlight repair dealership or whatever, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try it out, so I'll see if they can make it right. We'll see. Let's talk headlamps. I've got 3 headlamps. The first one I'm gonna talk to you about is this Petzl. Petzl brand makes extremely high quality headlamps, and I love them. They're awesome. Unfortunately, they don't make this particular model anymore. But I have had this for several years and it still works. Only recently it started to have a little bit of issues, but for the most part it is bright and they burn forever. And that is what is amazing. When in a headlamp you want something that is going to last a long time, so don't settle for the really cheap stuff that you can get off the shelf at Walmart. It's not worth it. You got to go with a headlamp that'll last forever. I think this one cost me 38 bucks. It's plenty bright, it's got different modes. I've got red light for outside when you don't want the bugs hitting you like crazy. And I just love it, guys. I can say all the good things about Petzl brand headlamps because they're outstanding. Next, I got the P-Tech. And if you'll notice, it's not turning on, right? I would say that the battery is dead, but actually I've had some trouble with this. The battery drains extremely fast, and granted, I don't baby these at all. They are in my truck, they're ready to go, and they're in the extreme heat, and the Petzl still working just fine, even in the heat. The P-Tech did not. It drained very rapidly, and I've had a lot of issues. It just wasn't reliable. So I hate to say it, but I would not recommend the P-Tech. I just can't do it. We'll strap that one over here. After the P-Tech wasn't working so well, I decided to go and get one more headlamp because I love flashlights. I just do. I don't know what it is. This is the Black Diamond Storm. Black Diamond has been around for a little while now. Bass Pro carries these. Here, let me turn that off so I'm not blinding you guys. The Black Diamond Storm is one of the highest lumen rating headlamps that they create. It's 350 lumens. It burns for a very long time, 120 plus hours on the lowest setting. The thing comes in several different colors, and you can see just how ridiculously bright that is. That's even brighter, right? And then you can adjust it down and you can dim it, make it brighter. So you watch carefully. Gets dimmer and comes bright again. That is outstanding, guys. A dimmer on a headlamp is awesome. There are other colors as well that you can get with it. So green, it's also got red and blue. Those are your night vision colors that you need as necessary. And I love that. This is extremely useful. And the brightest setting on this, it's ridiculously bright. I'm blinding my camera right now with that. It's crazy bright. It's crazy bright. I love it. I have been so impressed with this little headlamp, and I would say it's sturdy. I mean, you can dunk this for 1.5 minutes. I believe it's 1.5 minutes. I think that's right. IP67 rated. It's just awesome. So we got our Petzl and we got our Black Diamond headlamps that have 1 day when it comes to headlamps. And that's just a sampling, guys. Any other headlamp companies want to send me stuff, any other flashlights, I'm more than welcome to review them out here in the dark where it actually matters. I feel like I am ready to go for pretty much anything. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I like headlamps. I like flashlights. Come back over here. We got these awesome little flashlights. We got the headlamps, and we're just gonna shine all this stuff at all y'alls because it's ridiculously bright. So keep watching, guys. Comment on your favorite headlamp and your favorite flashlight. But I would challenge you to not spend over $100 on a flashlight. That just seems ridiculous to me, and that's not the point of our channel here. We want to do the best that you can get at a good price and make sure that you're not getting ripped off for any reason. And I gotta say, everything that I've got here today are all within that category. They are small, they are compact, they last a long time, they are effective. And that's what you need, and that's what we're about. So comment, tell me your favorite. If it's above $100, go find a different favorite. Thank you for watching. I am out of here. I will see you guys next time. That's pretty comfortable. Woohoo! Let's give it a shot. Or 2 or 60. We're in bug territory. Yes! Wow. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Yes, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Having fun out here. I just enjoy all of this because after watching these videos, I hope you do. Yeah, buddy.